Hi everyone, I am Daidi Shandipti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make spicy jalapeno poppers, or you can say spicy jalapeno poppers. This is very easily available thing. First we will be making hung curd. Take a muslin cloth, add curd, squeeze it so that the whey water can come out. And a thick consistent hung curd will be there in the muslin cloth. So in a plate, now I have hung curd, chopped capsicum, chopped onion, chopped coriander and some crushed nachos. Now just cut the jalapenos in a way that you can just make a cavity in between and remove the seeds, because obviously they won't taste good, so you will have to remove it the way I have shown. Take a bowl, add hung curd, add all the ingredients which we had taken in the plate, capsicum, coriander. Just don't add the nachos because that is being used, like I will be using it afterwards in the recipe. And if you are a spicy food lover, you can obviously chop some chilies and add it. Otherwise, jalapenos also are a little spicy, so the spicy taste will be there for sure. Now mix it well. So this is a very good dip also. You can just have it with any of your healthy chips. Add little salt, little oregano. You can add chili flakes if you want to, and mix. I am not adding extra chili powders because the jalapenos will have its own spicy taste. Now the cavity which we created in the jalapeno, just fill it with the batter which is created, the filling which we have just created. Fill it very properly, like you have to fill it in large amount. And this is how it looks. Now because I want to make it a little more crispy, so I am just adding little crushed nachos. You can add cornflakes, or even you can just skip this part also. It is just as per your choice. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can totally leave. So I am just going to make them in the air fryer. 7 to 8 minutes is enough at 180 degree. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to take it out in a plate. So wow, this looks super tempting and super amazing. So the crisp, the color is very nice. You can just keep it for 5 minutes also if you don't want it to be more cooked. As per your liking, you can just set the temperatures. I'm just going to enjoy this. This was really very yummy. Must try it, and do let me know how you liked it.